Okay. So, to keep it interactive and to keep the event interesting, what we will do, as we said before in the itinerary, we will hear from few members of the community about their own journey and how they connected with IIPC and Sheikh's up. You guys know who you guys are. I think, anybody, you know that. So please, come on over.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. That's a tall order that you've given me. I want to start off by introducing myself. My name is Anik Jeevanji. I'm also on the board of directors for IIPC. My journey and my introduction to Brother Muhammad Shaikh, I'll talk to you about that in just a few seconds. But I just want to, I guess, reminisce a bit about the journeys that we all take in our lives. And I think when we get to a certain age, definitely mine, we reflect and we want to think, are any of those journeys memorable? And if given a chance, would you take that journey again? So that brings me to my journey with IIPC. Alhamdulillah, 30 years and counting, maybe 31 years and counting. I've had the pleasure and the honor to have met Brother Muhammad Shaikh in the late 80s, early 89, 90. I used to go to his store to watch, to rent the videos of Shaykh Ahmad Didat. As a youngster then, it was very inspiring, it was very powerful on when Shaykh Didat was talk about comparative religions, because I was brought up, I think as many of us have, thinking that we are Jannatis, we are blessed, it's all the others that need correction. And I came from a relatively conservative family. My mother and my maternal side were very religiously grounded in the conventional way. And one day when I was speaking with Brother Shaikh, he said to me, he says, do you know what's in the Quran? And I can show you a few things which will be quite surprising. And I've said this to Brother Shaikh before. I thought he's not able to tell me anything that I don't already know. But boy, oh boy, it actually was very enlightening. It opened up a whole chapter of religious awakening. And I think it was a week later that I asked Brother Shaikh to come home to meet with my mother, who was in her own way a little spiritual identity in our family. And that's how the journey began. So I'm not going to go into details here. It's been a journey which has been intellectually stimulating, rewarding, and I don't think I can ever thank Brother Shaikh enough for the knowledge that I have got. It's changed my life. It's changed my concept. Sorry, I'm getting a little emotional. And it's the message of the book. If I had not met Brother Shaikh, I would have probably been leading my life the way I was 31 years ago. So please, thank you so much. Thank you.